Are you ready to take your renewable business to the next level?
Did 3 solar installations last month. 3 jobs in 3 days has already equaled the sales revenue of what I've been doing as an electrician in a month.
Join us for an exclusive one-day EV and solar bootcamp and unlock the secrets to building a scalable, systemizable, and sellable business. With us, you'll learn the 3 secrets to success: high converting leads, home sales mastery, streamlined systems.
I've managed to actually stay off of the tools on one job entirely.
Turned over 162,000. We've done $500,000 this year.
Rub shoulders with industry giants Joseph Valente and Chris Ruggiero. Improve your work-life balance by getting the best jobs in your diary.
From 300k a year to 3 million a year. It wouldn't have been possible if I hadn't have been introduced to Trade Mastermind.
Learn how to close deals in the home. Generate consistent leads with the right marketing for your industry. Increase sales, expand profits, and grow your income over the next 6 weeks. Still wondering if this is for you?
Since we came on, electrical side has gone madness.
Incredible. Like, if I'd been doing that for the last year, I'd be in such a better place.
We have £150 million of increased revenue for 322 businesses we have coached. 100 businesses have achieved 7-figure revenues. Join our free Discovery Day.